Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pizza Artist. On today's video, we're going to be trying New York style pizza. Now Teresa and I have been practicing, experimenting with different kinds of pizza dough. We're trying to get it perfect. We went to New York, we went to LA, Toronto, we've tried it all. We've tried to come up with the perfect combination and we think we've got it. I'm going to bake one pizza today. We're going to see how it comes out. And if you like it, and if I like it, we're going to give you the recipe. On the next video, Teresa and I will show you how to make the pizza dough and the technique. So you can make the dough, you put it inside your bowl with a little bit of olive oil, saran wrap it in the fridge, 5 days. If you can keep it longer, even better. But 5 days, I know people are like, well, how far ahead do you have to think? Well, think ahead if you want good pizza. So we're gonna try it, and if it's good, we're gonna give you the recipe. If it's no good, I'm gonna delete this video and you'll probably never see it. So let's show you what we got so far. So here's our dough. This one I just made and it's been sitting here. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. But we have one that's been sitting already for 5 days. We're gonna put just sauce and cheese on it, and bake it real quickly. We're gonna try it. If it's delicious and tasty, we're gonna make it again. And this time we're gonna give you the recipe. We actually have two different recipes. One is with semolina flour and whole wheat, and the other one is just with flour, regular white flour. So we're gonna give it a go. Here's what the dough looks like now. Okay, that's our New York style dough. This is the one with whole wheat. We got a little bit of whole wheat and a little bit of semolina. Durham wheatlets. I don't know how you say it in English. Durham wheatlets. Yeah, that's how you say it. So let's get busy. So it's just simple pizza today. I got a little bit of sauce here I made. We're gonna put it on. Now this is the conserva we made at home, and I'm gonna show you a good trick for tomato sauce as well. I mean, if you make your own tomato sauce or conserva, then just go with it. But if you're gonna go to the supermarket and grab pomodoro, I'm gonna show you a quick trick. Well, like when I do for the focaccia, I just like to use the tomatoes. That's it. The tomatoes, I even crush it with my hands. But we're gonna do that next video. We're gonna see if this pizza comes out good. Now normally I would do it on the stone, but it's being in Canada, it's always cold. It's freezing outside, and I'm not gonna go to and it's like almost June, it's the end of May. And I'm not going to the shed to get my stone. I was gonna use the stone from the pizza cube. Why not? And stick it in my oven. And right now I got it at convection. The oven is set to convection. I have it at 500, only because I have it on a pan. If it was gonna be the stone, I think I would have put it to 6 and take it from there. This New York style, believe me, we've traveled everywhere. We've taken different recipes from every city we've been to. Places, restaurants like Brooklyn North, Joe's Pizza, Grimaldi's. I've tasted the dough. I've analyzed it in my mouth, in my feeling, the texture. I know, I feel it. I'm a baker by trade. I know what I'm talking about. I can tell everything that's in here, the sugar, the salt. So we're just gonna put, by the way, this is Galbani cheese, again, #1 in Italy. For today's purpose only, we're gonna bake it like this, and we're gonna see how it is. So let me just cut more slices of cheese. There. That's it. So the oven's at 500 convection. We're gonna put it in the oven. If it comes out good, this is going to be the recipe we're going to go to, and the recipe you guys are going to use and amaze your guests and family and friends. Let's put it in the oven. It looks good. It smells good. I'm going to cut it. Feels good. So now I'm thinking with the pizza, with the oven, I should have put it a little bit higher. Maybe a little bit higher, and it would have been like perfect. Okay, it's a little bit, maybe too. What do you think? Actually, it's fucking perfect. It's almost perfect. I'm gonna try it. Look at that. Look at that. Look how fucking firm it is. So beautiful. Oh. I am kidding you. It's fantastic. Ava, you know what this is?
What?
This is New York style pizza. Look at that. Not thick, not flimsy. It's not like Neapolitan where it's soft and spongy and smells like crappy. Look how beautiful this is. This is New York style pizza. Oh. It's incredible. Look. You ever see pizza like that?
No.
Yes, you have. In New York. All right.
True.
The pizza is fantastic. Now, did you almost trip? The only thing left to do is break down the recipe, post it, and let you guys try it for yourself. It's very easy. I use flour, salt, sugar, whole wheat, semolina, and you can use olive oil, or if you're broke and poor like me, vegetable oil. But it's still good. Oh my God, Eva. It's perfect. Can you hear how crispy it is? Break my mouth. Alright. I'm gonna eat the rest of this pizza by myself. It's that good. Here. I'll try it. Listen. Listen, ASMR. Is that what it is? Listen. Did you hear it? Oh my God. Hello, pizza. It's like I'm in Brooklyn. Oh, this reminds me of Brooklyn North. You want to try it? Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. This New York style pizza is fantastic. I'm gonna do another video. Me and Teresa will show you how to make it exactly. The technique, the style, everything you need to know to get pizza as delicious as this one. I love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere. Here. No, here. Subscribe, please. Help us get to 1,000. Maybe I can be on Cameo after. You can call me for a shout out.
Oh my God.
That was pretty funny, right? That was pretty funny.